Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Yes, I have decided I will be brave. Perhaps foolish. Perhaps. So, when I turn this pet on, things happen. And the weird stuff comes up on the screen. It does. So, I'm thinking what I'm going to do, because it's here and I can, even though it may not be wise, I'm going to pop this board out of this machine. Just one more little leg. So I can't see it. Okay. There it is. Okay. Okay. The board is coming out. Now, sorry, you may be in the dark a bit, but I gotta get this in nice while I can. Alright, it's in. Get the monitor plugged in. Get this little sticker off the board. And then bring the light over. And what the heck? It was tough to get off. I'll attach the keyboard. I think. Wee. That's even tough going on. Oh. Alright, so this could be a disaster. Oh, I'm kind of didn't get that angle very nice. Okay, well, let's just see what we hear. Okay. I don't hear good things. Oh no, okay. It's coming up exactly as the other one did. It's a green screen. Okay. So, I wonder if I can clear the screen. Hang on, I can't see. On the other one, I could do the... Okay, something is not happening here. Maybe it's something to do with the keyboard. Or the connector. But I think I had it on. Pretty... Oh my golly. It's a beast. Oh. It's a beast to get on and off. I suspect some deoxit. I suspect I've actually bent it a little bit, so I'm not going to push a bad position there. Alright, I'm going to turn this back on. And I see much the same as I did. Exactly, yes, screen fills with crap. Well, at least I know the monitor is working. Oh, hello down there. And perhaps the power supply is okay. So, I'll turn that off. And say, okay, at least I know. That might have been a very foolish thing to do, had something tragic happened. Certainly, the connectors seem very squirrely. Alright. Let's see about rescuing the board out of here. Alright. Why are you stuck? You should not be stuck. Okay. We are not stuck. Hello. Okay. We'll come back over here. Hello. And we'll put this back. Get the little feet lined up. Get the connectors lined up. Including the keyboard. Are we lined up? No. I think I probably bent it a little bit. Hard to tell. Okay. We're back on. We're back in. We'll turn it on. And what do we see? We see the same as before. Except this time the screen goes clear. And I can say print. Quote. No. I can do that. No, I'm not doing that. Yes. Oops. Where'd the quote go? Oops. I am. And we will run. And then we'll see crazy things happen. We shall. So it would seem maybe this keyboard is very dirty. Hard to tell. I wonder. As I'm here, I can, with that connector, if I sneak my way over here, will that go? It really won't. Okay, then it won't. All right, well, I think that is enough experimentation for today. So what have we learned? Well, probably a screen RAM, probably this one. That one, I don't know, that's weird. I wonder if it could be one of the, or some of the power transformer things. It's weird. Very strange. I will consult with Rudy if Rudy's retro intel. I shall. But until then, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.